पतरातू और आसपास के क्षेत्र के लोगों के लिए उम्मीद की एक नई किरण साबित हो रही है वेलफेयर चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट। पतरातू स्थित काटोमेया हॉस्पिटल डॉक्टर चंदन एवं डॉक्टर अरुण द्वारा चलाया जा रहा है।
Any message would you like to
Yes.
give the local people?
As I will tell him, already we have done a lot of things. They better know. At the same time, what we have benefited by the medicine, now they will be benefited by the surgical intervention also. We are just going to start the surgery also of the minor type of surgery, and they will get benefited. And by help of my trust and Dr. Chandan Gupta, they have encouraged me to introduce the Kusal Yojana by the PM. It is a government association program. So I am trying to local people who are really unemployed, or after 10th or 12th they become unemployed in the society. I am trying to explore them and practice them in the nursing care or the you can say medical facility, so that they can spread my message to the most remotest area, that the person who got the practice here.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Chandan, as you know, as we know that you are from Patna.
Yes.
And what is your opinion about the people of this locality? Are they cooperative? Are you getting cooperation from the people, or have you any problem?
No, I haven't any problem. Here, many people are cooperate here and encourage me. You are doing very well, and your trust is very trust members and who is joining here. They are doing very well.
One thing I want to add, sir. You have told me, we have asked that ki local people are helping or not. Or I will tell ki I am not able to help him 100%, and I am very sorry ki why I am not going to help him. But I think if they will cooperate, or government or other any society, if they trying to help him, then I will give 100% to the patient. So currently, what you asked me, I am not very helpless, but I am trying to help. But the people are very helpful.
Thank you, sir. This is Mira Welfare Charitable Trust, and I am Vikas Pathak with my cameraman Rajkumar for Harshit TV Awaj. Thank you very much. Many people wants to do lots of things for societies and many other people, but does nothing. But right now, I'm in Mira Welfare Charitable Trust, and just in front of me, the founders of this trust, Mr. Dr. Arun and Dr. Chandan are just in front of me, and they will explain what is the motto and many other questions I got in my brain, and I would like to ask them. First of all, I would like to good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, my first question is that what is the motto of this trust, and from where you got the inspiration to start this type of trust in such rural area?
The main motto is to help the poor and needy people who are really deprived of the facility given by the government. And from where I got the inspiration, exactly there is a story, because I have worked in the lot of the remote area of the Jharkhand, and what I found that there is no any facility, either due to the communication problem or due to the illiteracy of the persons. So I am doing the camp, and by this camping I am trying to aware the persons and to make them really benefit from the government association program and from my program or my trust are doing. So this is my main motto.
Sir, many people are getting benefits from this trust, and lots of people explained in front of me also that they are getting so many facilities in this trust, and they are coming and they are being treated by both of you in a very low cost. So I would like to ask a question, that are you getting any fund from government, or you are doing this all things on your own?
Yes, yet now I haven't got any fund from government. whatever I am doing, just our team members with cooperation of my team and members.
Dr. Arun,
Yes.
I have a question. That have you any problem? Are you getting any problem to survive this trust in this rural area? I mean to say that why you have decided to choose this trust to run in this type of area?
Exactly. My friend, you know, most of program or government program, I can't say most of them, but literate person from the metro cities or city like the Ranchi, Hazaribagh, they can get the benefit of not by nursing facility what the Sadar hospital is there, CSC is there. So they are getting the benefit. But the people and I think the government also want people from the rural area, and a lot of program by the government are also there in the rural area like the Hafua or Koto or any part of this district. So I think the road is there. Bijli, you can say power is there. Now the one of the health facility is the main problem. So I think if I give the 2 hours or 1 hour of my life every day, I can benefit them, and I am getting the result also. People praising me, some local leaders also praising me, and you people are also trying to encourage me. So I am getting the energy also from this type of things. So in the future also I will try to be most remotest area of the Jharkhand to serve the peoples where there is no any primary facility.
Obviously. Sir, what are the future plans according your trust to do anything more? What would you like to do? I mean, I've heard that you are going to start a training center also.
My trust motto is develop in a very remote area, create a healthcare center in block level, and after that I will start a skill development program in this center.
Actually, I want to add one thing. Government has a lot of program, community-based program. You have also heard the Vision 2020. Being an ophthalmologist, he is his basic department is eye. So, taking help of him, I am going to the village side and I am doing the eye camp. And you know, the person above 40, they are more vulnerable for the eye problem, just like the cataract or low vision. So I am trying to give such service to them, and at the same time, comorbidity is there. Comorbidity means that one person has the 2 or 3 problems at the same time. Suppose that person has the rheumatoid arthritis or osteoarthritis. Being an orthopedician, I am trying to help to make them more energetic by giving muscular or energetic therapy, and this guy is trying to help by the vision therapy. So our department is doing the both at the same platform, vision and the arthritic problem.
It is all free of cost for the people, or this is slow rated?
Actually, I told you this is a trust. Trust means how to benefit the person. In 24 hours we are not doing job here. Just when we got the time, personally myself, when I got the 2 hours or 3 hours, and this is for my personal satisfaction. When I treat the patient, I really get to learn also from the patient, and I think that we have many patients. This is my process.
Okay. Sir, what are the future plannings according to your work for this concerned trust?
My future planning, I am thinking in every block level. Okay, I will make a health care center in which a lot of facility I will provide with concerned our members team, and after that I will this project I will mention in the government.
Okay. Sir, my last question. Have you any message for this locality or and those people who are really required to get a treatment in very low cost?
मैसेज इज उन लोगों के लिए जो यहाँ से आए हैं, जिनका ट्रीटमेंट हुआ और भी कुछ कमियां वो दूर हो चुकी हैं, कुछ हमने और अपने आप में भी कुछ किया है, और जो पहले मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट केवल था वो सर्जिकल ट्रीटमेंट भी यहाँ होने लगा है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, बहुत ही कम रेट पर। तो मेरा कहना है कि आएँ और लाभ उठाएं, और अगर कहीं दिक्कत है तो उसको बताएं।
Thank you very much, sir.
And
Yeah.
एक और ये है कि हम लोग यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग सेंटर एस्टेब्लिश कर रहे हैं स्किल डेवलपमेंट एनएचडीसी के थ्रू, और इसमें हम लोग जितने भी रूरल एरिया के स्टूडेंट्स हैं या फिर जो फिर जैसे कि +2 या फिर बीएससी करके वो लोग बेरोजगार हो जा रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग का मेन मोटो है कि पतरातू में इस तरह का हम लोग स्किल डेवलप कर दें हेल्थ केयर में, कि वो आगे चल करके वो सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट हो सकें। तो ये हम लोग का ट्रस्ट का एक मोटो है।
This is really a great decision, and what a great planning for the future of these local peoples. I'm really thankful to you for this. This is Mira Welfare Charitable Trust and myself Vikas Pathak with my cameraman Rajkumar. Thank you very much.